Welcome to Literary Universe, the place where the magic of children's books intertwines with the excitement of politics, the mystery of suspense, the sweetness of romance, and the curiosity for new universes. Explore a vast world of literary genres, where each page leads us to unique and inspiring adventures. Be enchanted by captivating tales and characters that teach essential values in a playful and educational way. Immerse yourself in fundamental debates about politics and reflections on society, stimulating a critical and conscious view of the world around us. Feel the adrenaline rush of engaging suspense plots, with exciting twists and mysteries to be unraveled, leaving you on the edge of your seat, eager for the surprising outcome. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos and share this experience with other book lovers and curious people. Join us at Literary Universe, where the magic of words comes to life.